Good morning, all of you. So, today we are starting with the topic division of fractions. So far, we have studied the multiplication of fractions. So, today we will be discussing about the division of fractions. Let us first consider the division of a whole number by a fraction. So, first we are considering the division of a whole number by a fraction. First problem, 3 divided by 1 by 4. 3 divided by 1 by 4. So the answer is 3 divided by 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 into 4 by 1. Okay, we will just multiply 3 by the reciprocal of 1 by 4. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 4? Just interchange the numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. So for dividing, you will multiply this whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. That is the method. So 3 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 3 into 4 by 1. Now you know to multiply these. 3 into 4 by 1 is equal to 3 into 4 divided by 1. That is equal to 12 by 1. That is equal to 12. Okay. Consider another problem. 7 divided by 1 by 7. So what you will do? You will just multiply 7 by the reciprocal of 1 by 7. What is reciprocal of 1 by 7? Just interchange the numerator and denominator. Then the reciprocal is 7 by 1. So 7 divided by 1 by 7 is equal to 7 into 7 by 1. Now you know to do the multiplication. 7 into 7 by 1 is equal to 7 into 7 by 1. That is equal to 49. 7 into 7 is 49. So 7 divided by 1 by 7 is 49. Thus, to divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Okay, that is the method. To divide a whole number by any fraction, just multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Now, while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then solve it. That is, if you are dividing by a mixed fraction, first you need to convert that mixed fraction into an improper fraction and do the usual division. For example, consider 4 divided by 2 into 2 by 5. 2 by 5. 4 divided by 2 by 5. Here 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction. So first you need to convert this 2 by 5 into an improper fraction. That is 2 into 5, 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. So this is 12 by 5. So this will be 4 divided by 12 by 5. Now what you will just multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction. So this is equal to 4 into 5 by 12. 4 into 5 by 12. Reciprocal of 12 by 5 is 5 by 12. So 4 into 5 by 12. That is 4 into 5 by 12. Multiplication of fractions. 4 into 5 by 12. That is equal to 20 by 12. So the answer is 20 by 12. Now you are going to see the division of a fraction by a whole number. Okay. You are going to see the division of a fraction by a whole number. Consider 3 by 4 divided by 3. So what you will do? 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. You can write 3 as 3 by 1. So this is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 1. Now you will just multiply with the reciprocal of the second fraction. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 1? That is 1 by 3. Just interchange the numerator and denominator, then you will get the reciprocal. So reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. So this is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. That is equal to 3 into 1 by 4 into 3. 3 into 1 by 4 into 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. So this is equal to 3 by 12. That is equal to 1 by 4. If you are cancelling 3 from the numerator and denominator, then you will get 1 by 4. Okay. Therefore, 3 by 4 divided by 3. That is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 1. Now just multiply with the reciprocal of 3 by 1. That is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. That is equal to 3 into 1 by 4 into 3. That is equal to 3 by 12. That is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Next, we are going to consider the division of a fraction by another fraction. Okay. Check. We are going to study the division of a fraction by another fraction. First problem. 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 5. So, you know the method. You just multiply with the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, that will be equal to 1 by 3 into 5 by 6. Reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. So 1 by 3 into 5 by 6. That is equal to 1 into 5 by 3 into 6. You will multiply the numerator then by denominator. So 1 into 5 by 3 into 6. 1 into 5 is 5. 3 into 6 is 18. So the answer is 5 by 18. Okay, 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 5 is equal to, multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction, you will get 1 by 3 into 5 by 6. That is equal to 1 into 3 by 5, 1 into 5 by 3 into 6. Product of the numerator by product of the denominators. So 1 into 5 is 5 by 3 into 6 is 18. So the answer is 5 by 18. Now consider second question, that is 8 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So what you will do, you will just multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So you will get 8 by 5 into 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So 8 by 5 into 3 by 2. What is 8 by 5 into 3 by 2? That is equal to 8 into 3 by 5 into 2. 8 into 3 by 5 into 2. That is equal to 8 into 3 is 24. 5 into 2 is 10. So this is equal to 24 by 10. So if we cancel 2 from the numerator and denominator, then you will get it as 12 by 5. Okay, reduce it to the lowest form. Then the answer is 12 by 5. So 8 by 5 divided by 2 by 3, that is equal to 8 by 5 into reciprocal of the second fraction, that is reciprocal of 2 by 3, that is equal to 8 by 5 into 3 by 2, that is 8 into 3 by 5 into 2, that is equal to 24 by 10, that is equal to 12 by 5. Next, exercise 2.4 is a homework for you.